partly it is in rumors and what have you. But just because one time we are victims of near the same, we have to handle it. We have to talk about it. And that's the issue of the money which is purportedly being dished out to members of parliament. The 100 million. I told you here, when we are in the thick of these things, that this thing is going to spread. It starts with FDC, it goes to NOP, it went to DA, now it is full circle. I told you one day to go to NRM, now it is full circle. These rumors, true or false, cause a lot of anguish to Ugandans. People are not doing well financially, and all they hear that someone has been given 100 million. Even if it is a rumor, it brings a lot of anguish. And you, the one who is alleging, can enjoy it. But the one who is put in that fix, which I can call political quagmire, it's very difficult to escape from it. Very, very difficult indeed. Whether it's true or not. Remember, there was an MP who had his money in his car around that period. Some people even started hating him. Why does he have 100 million in the car? And it's his money, but it brings a lot of anguish. So, whoever brought the money, or whoever alleged the money is there, I pity our MPs who are there. Because even if you got 100 million today, in your constituency you spend 400 million to try to wash that against you. You spend 4 times the much. You may enjoy it to solve your problems today, but I'm sure more than 80% of the MPs will not come back, cut us off that 100 million. Because now people who are bad off will be expecting money from them, which money they don't have. Maybe they have already paid out their debts, and they have to suffer to explain. So whoever brought that money, in case he brought it, I don't think he even meant well for his very MPs. Maybe he didn't want them to be there anymore. It's going to cost us a lot, and it's becoming too much in Uganda today that someone alleges that we have been given money, and people start putting you on the fence to answer. I don't know how many people have found on the way, and they say, Mr. Chikonyo, give us some money. You tell them, I don't have money. Say, but you got money, you people. And we are killing this country with this business of money being splashed around. If someone wants to call your name, you just put a tag on you. This one has been given money. As if we don't believe in anybody getting money he has not worked for. Even if you went to the bank today and you found maybe 300 million in your account, you are duty bound to even approach the manager and ask him, where did this money come from? So our MPs, if money is splashed to you, you must know why this money was given to you. And there is nobody on earth who can give you money and doesn't expect anything back. One day, you have to pay. You have that folk story in Uganda of the guerrilla which gave meat to some young boys. Some ate, some didn't eat. Only 1 or 2 didn't eat that meat. But when you are getting out, the Zikhet told them, give me my meat. So, this business is going to spoil our country to reach a stage that whatever you do, people will think you have been given money to do it. It's very dangerous for us. Even it's very dangerous for you people of the press. No wonder some people are even beating you up. Yes. It's becoming as bad as that. Because nobody now believes we have gone there to get the news and report it as it is. Whatever you report, someone will say, you are reporting this because you like Chikonyogo. You are reporting this because you hate Chikonyogo. We are killing our morals and we are killing the future generation in Uganda. So this 100 million here, we should go to investigate it to the core and you get to know the whole truth. But what I'm sure of, 80% of our MPs are going to case in the next elections. With this poverty, even the people who are standing against them, they will use this as a campaign issue and they'll be brought down. We may laugh at it, but all of us, we are losing our morals. We are killing ourselves, we are killing our children, and the future will not be very bright. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Questions? Yes. Lingering on for a long time. And it's all very good, big concern to Ugandans is the issue of our power. All of you have been hearing about our power. To many people's ears, it is something which has become monotonous, but as a party we can't leave it hanging. The people of APA are living together for a long time, but we don't know what caused the problem, but they are now fighting each other. Who is fueling it? We don't know. Why are they fueling it? We don't know. But it's the duty of government to make sure that all Ugandans live in peace. The Acholi and the Madi have been living together in harmony for many, many years. Why are they fighting today? So as FDC, we urge the government to find a lasting solution to the APA question. The elders of the Madi community, elders of the Acholi community, all the opinion leaders in those areas must sit together at the earliest opportunity to find a lasting solution to this question. This question can spread to the whole country and can bring people from Acholi and Madi to fight each other for no good reason. What is so surprising, as I said, we were living together before this issue came up. So, I urge the government, the leaders of the area, to sort out this issue at the earliest opportunity. It's a national issue. They should not take it as if it is a local issue, because it can spread even to other areas where we have land disputes. The second issue I wanted to handle is the issue of Chadema in Tanzania. Because what is happening in Tanzania can easily be exported to Uganda. And the Court of East Africa is in Tanzania also. We may end up going to Tanzania to report to Uganda when Tanzania is also behaving in the same way.